Hi guys, I'm Sonika, and in this video I'm going to show you how I use my Nikon Coolpix B500 for bird photography. Last week I showed you how to engage in macro photography, and this week it is bird photography. This camera is not meant for bird photography because its focal length is only 160 mm and its zoom does not reach that far, but I'll try my best so that you can nail bird photography using this little camera. So let's get started. For bird photography, you need to be at the right place at the right time. Try to go as early in the morning as possible, 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m., just when the sun goes up, so that you can get the right birds at the right time with the right light, beautiful golden light on them. Try to go to places like bird sanctuaries, forests, ponds and all, where you find lots of birds so that you can photograph. Try to shoot your birds at eye level. Now this is not possible when they are up there on a tree or something, but if they are down below on the ground walking, then try to go at ground level and shoot them at eye level. When you zoom in with this camera on the birds, you find that the camera becomes extra sensitive and becomes very shaky. So it is advisable to use a tripod. This camera cannot go very far. It has only 160 mm focal length and 40x zoom, which is not sufficient. And also I've noticed that when you go the maximum level of zoom with this camera, the images can turn out to be a little blurred and the edges can be a little pixelated. So a tripod will help, and maybe you don't zoom in that much. Try to zoom out a bit. Try to take more of habitat or wide angle shots and make the most out of this camera. Focusing is difficult because birds fly and flutter all the time. Set your focus to manual and center. Just try your luck with your tripod or steady hand. Avoid taking shots with the bird facing away from your camera. Try to take more shots where the bird is looking towards your camera. Even side shots look amazing. Follow the rule of thirds. Divide your frame in a 3x3 grid and place your subjects at the lines or the intersecting points of these lines. If you cannot manage it in your camera, take them to your editing software and crop accordingly. Don't have your bird against a very plain background. Try to keep some elements like clouds, trees within your frame, or use a blurred background. In this camera, you cannot control the aperture and shutter speed. The only thing you can control is the ISO. I keep the ISO to a minimum 125 when I'm shooting in daylight. Even in the night, I only raise it when it is absolutely essential. Since you cannot control the shutter speed, it becomes difficult to capture birds in flight. Make sure there's enough light falling on your subject. With birds, you cannot use external lights, so you have to make maximum use of the natural light. So guys, if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share the love with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye!